For the first step, we're going to right click on the Windows Start icon, then we're going to head over to Settings. Once we're on it, we're going to click on Storage, and then we're going to make sure that Storage Sense is turned on. Once it's turned on, we're going to click on it, and then you want to run Storage Sense now. After you do this, we're going to go back, and then we're going to click on Cleanup Recommendations, and then click on Recycle Bin and Downloads, and then click on Cleanup. For the second step, we're going to head over into Privacy and Security. Once we're on it, we're going to click on Diagnostics and Feedback, and then make sure that this is off. Next, we're going to head over into Gaming, and then we're going to click on Game Mode, and then you want to make sure that this is turned on. Next, we're going to head back into System, and then we're going to click on Power. Once we're on it, we're going to change the Power Mode to Best Performance. Next, we're going to right click on the Windows Start icon, then we're going to click on Run. Then we're going to type in services.msc and click on Enter. Once we're on it, we're going to scroll down until we find Connected User Experience. If you don't want to send your background data to Microsoft, just right click on it, click on Properties, and then click on Startup Type, then make it disable, click on OK. Once you do that, right click on it and then click on Stop. Next, we're going to right click on the Windows Start icon, then we're going to head over to Settings. Once we're on it, we're going to click on Accessibility, and then we're going to click on Visual Effects. If your goal is to get the best performance, then you could just turn off both of these. Next, we're going to right click on the Windows Start icon, then click on Task Manager. Once we're on it, we're going to click on Startup Apps, and then if you have any apps that you don't want to start up when your computer turns on, you could just disable it. So for example, I don't want Display Fusion to turn on when my computer turns on, so I'm going to click on it and then click on Disable. Do that for all the other apps that you don't want to turn on when your computer loads up. Next, we're going to click on the Windows Start icon and then click on Run. Then we're going to type in clean mgr, click on Enter. Once we're on it, we're going to clear up all of our drives. So first I'm going to start with the C drive, click on OK, and then make sure that everything here is selected, and then click on Clean Up System Files, and then select the same drive again, click on OK. Once this loads up, make sure that everything's selected again, and then click on OK, and then click on Delete Files. Repeat that method for all of your other drives. Next, we're going to head over to Search and type in Add or Remove Programs. Once we're on it, you can delete all of the apps that you don't actually need. So for example, if I wanted to delete Brave, I'll click on the three dots, click on Uninstall, and then click on Uninstall again, and follow all of the steps. For the last step, we're going to head over to Search and then type in Windows Update Settings. Once you're on it, we're going to click on Check for Updates and then do all the updates that you may have. After you complete everything in this tutorial, restart your computer and your PC will be way faster.